How to remove a defective meat or cheese slicer drive motor. Presentation of the meat or cheese slicer.
Okay, accurate front view.
How's the view back there, Bobby?
The process of dismantling the knife guard lock knob and knife guard plate.
Remove this.
Turn that screw counterclockwise
And then pull it. Remove this.
Enough for the tip of your little finger.
And then pull it.
The process of dismantling the rubber footings and bottom cover panel.
Turn it on the side and we'll wiggle it through.
Shout out time.
Pakiiwan na lang po ng shoutout comment nyo sa comment section sa ibaba ng vlog na to para ma-mention ko po kayo sa susunod ko pong video.
Wrench.
Turn that screw counterclockwise. Turn that screw counterclockwise.
It's not like we don't know how to use a screwdriver. Okay, remove it.
The process of dismantling the circular blade or circular knife.
Turn it. Turn it.
Who's a good-headed wrench?
What's next? What's next?
Turn that screw counterclockwise.
We're done.
Ever heard of a fulcrum?
For what?
A fulcrum.
Both hands, Bob?
Ben! Lift it higher!
The process of dismantling the drive motor and drive wheel assembly.
Wrench? A wrench.
You've got to remove the mounting bolts.
Turn that screw counterclockwise.
Come on, move fast.
Yeah, I can see it now.
For the complete video with tutorial, go and download it at our website, fixedbyalmj.net.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
And then pull it.
The process of disconnecting the electrical wires.
Enough for the tip of your little finger.
The process of disconnecting the drive belt.
Remove this.
Loosen this up a little.
Wrench the nut! Wrench the nut! Wrench the nut!
You got the right Allen wrench?
Remove the bar. Huh? Remove the bar. Huh?
Metal plate.
Put it in a safe place. Loosen this.
And this.
Und this? Wrench the nut! Wrench the nut! Wrench the nut! Come on, do it! Go, go, come on!
Come on, move fast.
Almost ready to separate. We're almost there.
Enough for the tip of your little finger.
The process of dismantling the drive motor.
Huwag nyo pong kalimutan na i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell sa ibaba nitong video na to para mapanood nyo po ang susunod kong video.
Enough for the tip of your little finger.
Put it in a safe place.
Almost done?
Almost!
Hold it tight now.
Now pull it back.
Man, here's the culprit. We're done. We're done.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.